In this video, I'm going to talk about the Creo drawings. Yeah. Uh, in this video, I'm going to cover drawing layout setup, that how to do a drawing setup. Yeah, and how to place the base view or your first view in the drawings. So to do so, click on New on Quick Access toolbar. Yeah, and go to the drawings, and you can generate the file name automatic by this option, or either you can write them manually. Yeah, I'm preferring mostly this option because it's really quick and handy. Click OK, and after will ask you for the model. Yeah, you have to browse here, and you can select either part or the assembly. Yeah, which one you want to create the drawings. So I will select this time assembly, open it, and after you have to specify template. I'm going to use the empty one, and you have to. Now the next step is that you have to orient your page, yeah, or drawings. So there is two options, portrait and landscape, which will be the standard size, which you can use it from A0 to A1, and there are some several standard as well. Yeah, and in a variable is just for the custom size, which you can define based on your requirement. Yeah, I'm going to use the landscape, and I will go for the 8:3. Yeah, and just click OK. Now the creating your base view. So as you can see here, the tools called general view. With this you can create your first view or base view. Yeah, so select the general view, you will get one windows displayed as shown here. Yeah, that means that if you select the no combined state, that means that no user defined states are required in the drawing model. I'm going to select no combined state, and do not click this do not prompt for the combined state. Click OK, and you can place within this paper. Yeah, so let's say that I selected here. Okay, let's see what is here. Yeah, here for example it's a view name. You can change the view name here. Let's say that I want to write here front view, let's say. And orientation of this model, you can do it either these three methods are available. Right now we are on views names from the model. Yeah, and here one more options is available. Here it's a geometry reference. Let's check it out. What does it mean by geometry reference? So select this one. You have to select the two references, doesn't matter which one you're going to select. Yeah, either it can be a back, top, bottom, top, left, right, whatever the options are available here. You can try it your own. I'm going for the front right now. Yeah, and the front I will select is this surface. Yeah, and the top is okay for me. I'm going to select this surface. Yeah, as you can see here, my model is oriented based on my geometry references. Yeah, quite a cool and handy. And if you would like to go for angles, then select angles here, and you have to define the rotation references. Again, I'm going to, there are more options here. You can see here normal, vertical, horizontal, or H or axis. I'm going to select H, yeah, as my reference. So I will select this one, and I will apply the angle value 90 degree and apply. Let's see what will happen. As you can see, it's oriented how I want it. Click apply and OK. Yeah, select one more time. In here is a lot of more options. Yeah, visible area, scale, sections, view states, view displays, origin, and alignment. In next tutorial I'm going to talk about a visible area. Right now we have full model, so it's this option. Yeah, so half view, partial view, and broken view I will talk in the next video. Yeah, right now what I'm going to talk about, it's how to do setup with drawings. Yeah, so basically I'm going to talk about the steps, document, which is really important here. Okay, so after placing the first view, as you can see here, I can move this view anywhere within this paper. Yeah, so I want to fix that. If you want to do this, then go to the lock view movement. Is simple, so it will just lock the view. Yeah, now you are not longer able to move this view. Simple. And if you would like to create a new seats, let's say that these seats are totally full, that you need to use second seat as well. So for this you can go to here, new sheet, let's say. Yeah. And another way you can do it is with this plus icon down below. As you can see here, if I will click here on plus, it will give me how many sheets are required here in my drawings. Yeah, I will just simply delete here with right click. Yeah, right click, delete, right click and delete. Okay, now here is the important sheet setup. Yeah, you can click here. Let's say that okay, A3 size is too big for you. Yeah, you want to go for, or you want to change the size. Yeah, so to do so, go for the A4 size. Yeah, again, it's up to you how you're going to orient your paper or page. Yeah, landscape or portrait. Okay, I'm going for the portrait right now. Click OK and you can see you will get the A4 size paper right now. So simple is that. Yeah, move and copy sheets is the similar things. Let's say that I will go to the right click here. Yeah, and I will go for move or copy here. Yeah, you can see here I can just insert here. Yeah, and I got a copy of my sheet. Very simple and easy. Yeah, so that's it in this video, and see you in the next video. Yeah, and in the next video I'm going to talk about visible area. Yeah, where we will talk about half view, partial view and broken view. That's it for today. Thank you so much.